Hello students, now I am going to explain about the problems and introduction about this Lagrange's interpolation in a Model 5 numerical methods in the subject Advanced Calculus and Numerical Methods. So first we'll see Lagrange's interpolation formula. The formula will be like this. If they given in a question the set of x and y values up to n values they given means the formula will become like this. Y equals to f of x, which is equals to x minus x1, x minus x2 and so on up to x minus xn divided by numerator x0 is missing, that x0 will come in the denominator, that is x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2 and so on up to x0 minus xn, that into the first value of y will be y0 plus the second term will be like this, x minus x0, x minus x2, x minus x3 and so on up to x minus xn. Numerator x1 is missing, that term will come in the denominator. So x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3 and so on up to x1 minus xn, that into y1. So on we can write the last term, that is x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2 and so on up to x minus xn minus 1, denominator xn minus x0, xn minus x1 and so on up to xn minus 1, that into yn. This is what the Lagrange's interpolation formula. Similar way we can define even that inverse Lagrange's interpolation formula also we can define. Here inverse interpolation, if x equals to f of y is a function at the points y0, y1 and so on up to yn be the independent variable, then x equals to f of y is given by like this. Same formula, in place of x and y it will be interchange. So the formula will become like this, x equals to f of y, so which is equals to y minus y1, y minus y2 and so on y minus yn, that divided by y0 minus y1, y0 minus y2, y0 minus y3 and so on up to y0 minus yn, that into x0. And the next one will be y minus y0, y minus y2, y1 minus y3 and so on, denominator y1 minus y0, y1 minus y2 and y1 minus y3 and so on up to x2. So up to nth term we can define. This is what inverse Lagrange's interpolation formulae. So you should remember only the formula of this Lagrange's and also inverse Lagrange's. So there is no derivation here. You have to remember only the formula. Based on this formula we have to solve few problems. Now we'll see the first problem. Use Lagrange's interpolation to find f of 4 given x value and corresponding f of x value they given. X value is 0, 2, 3, 6. Corresponding f of x value will be minus 4, 2, 14, 158. Let x0 first the given values you just name it. So you just see the question, set of x and f of x they given. Using Lagrange's interpolation we have to find the value of f of 4. Same problem we can solve even by using that Newton's divided difference, but here they mentioned as Lagrange's, so we have to use that formula only. First the given values you just name it. Let x0 is 0, x1 is 2, x2 is 3, x3 is 6. Corresponding y value will be y0 is minus 4, y1 is 2, y2 is 14, y3 is 158. Here they asked us to find out the value of y, that is f of x value they asked us to find out at x equals to 4. So this one we have to find out now. So according to the given values of x and y, first we should write the Lagrange's interpolation formula we should write. So formula will become like this, x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3, that into y0 plus x the y0, denominator x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3 plus in a second term x minus x0, x minus x2, x minus x3 divided by x1 minus x0, x1 minus x3, x1 minus x3, that into y1 plus, and the next term, third term will become x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x3 divided by x2 minus x naught, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3, that into y2, plus x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2. Numerator is x3 is missing. That term will come in the denominator. That is x3 minus x naught, x3 minus x1, x3 minus x2. That into y3. So like this we have to write the formula first. Now all these values you just substitute in that formula. Anyhow in a question they given x0, x1, x2, x3 and corresponding y0, y1, y2, y3 values they given. You just substitute. Here they asked us to find out the value of y at x equals to 4. So in place of x you just substitute as 4. On simplification we are getting the value will be like this. Y equals to minus 4 by 9 minus 2 plus 224 by 9 plus 158 divided by 9. So we are getting 378 divided by 9 minus 2. On simplification we are getting 360 divided by 9. So we can give the conclusion that the value of y is 40 at x equals to 4. This is what our required solution. Now we'll see the next problem. Use Lagrange's interpolation formula to fit a polynomial for the data. Data they given as x equals to 0, 1, 3, 4 and y value is minus 12, 0, 6, 12. Hence estimate y at x equals to 2. You just see here. By using Lagrange's interpolation formula, first we have to find out the polynomial. It means equation in terms of x, we have to find out the equation. Once if we are getting equation means easily we can find out the value of y at x equals to 2 we can find out. Okay, first the given values of x and y you just name it. So x0 is 0, x1 is 1, x2 is 3, x3 is 4 and y0 is minus 12, y1 is 0, y2 is 6 and y3 is 12. We have to find polynomial and then the value of y at x equals to 4. So one by one we'll find out. So first we should write the formula here. Okay, now we'll see about this formula. So y is equals to x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3 divided by x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3, that into y0. Similarly we should write for the second, third and also fourth term formula we should write. After writing the formula, all values of x0, x1, x2, x3 corresponding y0, y1, y2, y3 they given. You just substitute all the values. Here don't substitute any of the values for this x because we have to find out the polynomial. After substituting you just do the simplification. Manually only we can do the simplification. You just do the simplification, sure you will get one equation. That is polynomial in terms of x. So here we are getting f of x is x cube minus 7x square plus 18x minus 12. This is what our f of x. So polynomial we got it. They asked us to find out the value of f of 2. So you just substitute x as 2 here. On simplification we are getting 2 cube minus 7 into 2 square plus 18 into 2 minus 12. On simplification we are getting the value of f of 2 is 4. This is what our required solution. Now we'll see one more formula in the inverse Lagrange's interpolation. Apply Lagrange's formula inversely to find x at y equals to 6. Clearly they mention inverse Lagrange's formula only we have to use. Okay, x value they given as 20, 30, 40 and corresponding y value is 2, 4.4 and then 7.9. Okay, the given values first we have to name it. That is x0 is 20, x1 is 30 and then x2 is 40. Corresponding y0 is 2, y1 is 4.4, y2 is 7.9. Now we have to find out x value at y equals to 6. First we'll write the formula. X equals to y minus y1, y minus y2 by y0 minus y1, y0 minus y2, that into x0. Similarly in the second and third term you just write the formula. After writing the formula, all values they given in the question. So x0, x1, x2, y0, y1, y2. Along with that, in place of y, you just substitute as 6. So carefully we have to do the simplification. On simplification, we are getting the value of x at y equals to 6 is 35.2462. This is what our required solution. Thank you. So like this we can solve still n number of problems. Only few problems only I solved here. Thank you.